In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add frames in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. So you're working on the design where you want the frame to appear. Once your project is open, direct your attention to the panel on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the tools used to add new content to your design. Click on Add Content and then choose Elements. After the Elements panel opens, use the search bar to look for the word Frame. This will bring up a variety of frame options you can browse through. Take a moment to look through the results and choose a frame that fits the style and purpose of your project. When you find one you like, simply click on it and Adobe Express will add it to your canvas. At this point, the frame may not be the perfect size right away, and that's completely normal. Click on the frame to select it, then use the resize handles around it to make it larger or smaller until it fits your image or layout properly. If needed, you can also click and drag the frame to move it into the exact position you want on the page. This is especially helpful if you're trying to line it up with other elements in your design or place it in a balanced spot visually. Once the frame is selected, you'll also notice editing options appear on the left side. Depending on the specific frame you chose, you may be able to customize settings like the border style, the border thickness, and the border color. These options can vary from one frame to another, so don't worry if your selected frame shows slightly different controls. The key idea is that this is where you fine-tune the appearance of the frame to better match your design. As you make adjustments, it's a good idea to keep the overall look of your project in mind. A subtle frame can help highlight an image without overpowering it, while a bolder frame can make it stand out more. Small adjustments in size, placement, and styling can make a big difference in the final result. And that's it. That's how you add frames in Adobe Express. Once you've inserted, resized, positioned, and customized your frame, your design is ready to look more polished and visually organized.